So in this group of practice problems, we're just trying to write equilibrium expressions for the reactions that are given. The first couple of these start out the first one, I should say, starts out very straightforward. The reaction is given exactly the way you need it, and it's really just a matter of finding your equilibrium expression as the products on top raised to their coefficients divided by the starting materials, or the reactants, each raised to their coefficients. Again, we start out pretty straightforward here. But when we get to the second question, that's when this starts to get a little bit more complicated. Because what's wrong on this second question? Well, the equation's not balanced. And you can't write an equilibrium expression until your equation is actually balanced. So we can go through and balance it. We should get 1, 6, 2, 3, and 3. And then it's just doing the same thing we did in the previous question. Products on top. And starting materials on the bottom. Part C, this one doesn't look balanced, but it turns out it already is. These just balance it. 1, 1, 1, and 1, which ends up making the equilibrium expression very easy to write, because it literally just becomes the product of the products over the product of the reactants. And finally, in our fourth one, we need to balance it. And then KEQ is equal to the concentration of the product, ammonia, raised to its coefficient, divided by each of the starting materials. And hopefully you balanced it correctly. Raised to the third.